Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I would like to share with you a presentation of a tactical pen from FURA, and like you probably know by now, FURA does not use any kind of descriptions with the product. So one FURA tactical pen is called like the other one, and I don't know why they are doing this. It makes really hard to search for them, but maybe some kind of strategy from them because they are using a few designs from other companies, but this is what you are getting with these kind of products anyway. So let's talk about the FURA tactical pen gray. So this tactical pen is available in black, orange and gray coloring. Comes just in a standard padded box. It has a tungsten steel tip for obvious reasons. Applying pressure, glass breaking, skull breaking, tissue damaging, and it's made out of 6061 aluminum alloy. So with this pen you have only just two features, two functions. One is the glass breaker and one is obviously the pen. Good to see that this one will hold a standard Parker ball pen refill, so you have no problems to getting a spare one. There is no spare provided in the packaging. The overall length of the pen is 15 centimeters or 5.9 inches. The width is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. And the ball pen refill writes at 0.7 millimeters. The weight of the pen is really light, so it is 38.1 grams or 1.35 ounces. So really nice, no nonsense tactical pen with a nice clip. As you can see, it has a little bit more space here, so you can use it also on some thick materials like jeans or some tactical trousers. So this variant will cost you around $6. I will provide a link where you can buy this particular version. And this one could be a really nice, excellent gift. Or if you don't have any tactical pens and would like to start a collection, also I can recommend it to you. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.